Welcome to the Kidsmate Birthday Decoration Kit collection. In this video, we'll take a closer look at two exciting birthday decoration themes from Kidsmate: the Jungle Theme Birthday Decoration Kit and the Unicorn Theme Birthday Decoration Kit. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the Kidsmate Jungle Theme Birthday Decoration Kit. Inside the package, you'll find a happy birthday banner with 13 individual letters and ribbon, 2 green metallic foil curtains measuring 6 feet by 3 feet each, 45 premium quality metallic balloons in dark green, light green and gold colors, fun animal-themed foil balloons and other decoration accessories to create an exciting jungle-inspired party setup. The kit also includes adorable animal foil balloons featuring fun jungle characters that children will love. The Jungle Theme Birthday Decoration Kit is perfect for creating a colorful and adventurous birthday celebration. Now, let's take a look at the Kidsmate Unicorn Theme Birthday Decoration Kit. Inside the package, you'll find a happy birthday banner with 13 individual letters and ribbon, 2 pink metallic foil curtains measuring 6 feet by 3 feet each, 45 premium quality balloons in beautiful pink and white colors, charming unicorn-themed foil balloons and other party decoration accessories to create a magical and dreamy celebration. The Unicorn Theme Birthday Decoration Kit is perfect for children who love magical and fantasy-inspired celebrations. Both kits are designed to create a beautiful and memorable party setup with minimal effort. With everything included in one package, you can spend less time decorating and more time celebrating. Choose the Jungle Theme for a wild adventure or the Unicorn Theme for a magical celebration. Thank you for watching. For more Kidsmate product launches, detailed product overviews, and the latest updates, stay connected with Kidsmate. See you in the next video.